Oh my. Hey guys, how you doing? I want to cover this product here and kind of get my head going here. By the way, hey, Ron Shawley here for AccuWeather and for Pennsylvania Weather Watchers. Of course, you know me and Jesse, we are always, and I mean always, reviewing these tech items, okay? I have been searching for a product that can isolate my camera from the elements, okay? When I'm storm chasing and or when I'm doing night photography, so you astronomers out there who shoot a lot at night, please, listen up, okay? Outex has a really great, and I mean absolutely good system, okay, for waterproofing your camera, your cams, okay? What they have is, it's kind of unique, all right? They have a system whereby you can waterproof your camera, but it's not one unit. It is a multitude of elements that you basically put together. So you are customizing the system to your shooting requirements, okay? You have the case, first of all, okay? The case is all one piece, all right? It goes over your camera, all right? Covers your lens. Now, what you also order when you go to their website, and I'm telling you what, folks, it's absolutely well worth it because you have the capability of getting whatever kind of cover you want. In this case, this cover incorporates the rear, okay? And you have an opening in the case right here. You have your lens cover, okay? You have a port for a tripod. Yeah, so the case, I had to stop the camera there for a moment. The case comes in, a number of different types. Here you have your basic standard case. You have your lens on the end here where it goes in. You have your back cover so you can see the camera in the viewfinder, okay? And of course it has a spot in the bottom where you can put this plug right here, and that plug right there is for your tripod, okay? So, and actually this is kind of neat because this plug on the inside, it has a thread that screws into the bottom of your camera, okay? And then that plug right there goes to your tripod, okay? And this port here is an extension port, so I can run an AC cord or a battery cord through here that's going to heat, because we use a heater element at night, okay, to keep the dew off the camera. So I can run my cord through this port, all right, which is also waterproofed, okay, because it comes with a grommet that you put on the wire, and then the grommet goes in here and it isolates the water from getting in. Now, understand that the Outex system, okay, they can absolutely waterproof your camera. All right, you can, once you get it all set up, in theory, you can take them underwater, okay, to 100 feet, and it's going to be completely waterproof. Well, we're not going skin diving here. Well, you may, but for the most part, those of us who are storm chasing, okay, and especially if you are a nighttime photographer, all right, this is the way to go. It really is. Also, a lot of astronomers I know will have a permanent camera dedicated to what they're photographing, like a meteorite camera, okay? And they keep it outside all the time, all right? If that's the case, absolutely consider Outex. You put this on your camera, okay? And once it's on there, it's on. You could just leave it out in the weather 24/7. Now, I would take it in if there was a tornado or whatever, but definitely you could keep it outdoors, okay? Now, what you're buying is you're buying the case. Each element is individually sold. Remember to customize to what you have, okay? So they have like in this case, okay? So we had to buy the back case. This is the back lens, and it basically screws onto here, onto that opening there, and you take it apart, and it'll fit right there. The same way with the lens up front, okay? This was basically a hole, just like this one was, okay? And then you're screwing the lens face and it's kind of neat. The way it's made, this little rim right there, okay, there's a groove on the inside of here, and that rim will fit right into that groove, and it's a snug fit. And then you just screw the two pieces together. You have your outer rim, and then you have an inside rim on the inside of it, where you just screw the two together. Okay. They have, say, if you want a flash, they also have a flash cover, which is right here. The flash cover again goes over the flash, and it waterproofs the flash completely. So, you know, any element that you have, in short, and you want to waterproof it, Outex can help you out. And I mean, and I'm not joking, folks. If you're, you know, confused about what to buy, okay, just give them a phone call. Their customer support line is phenomenal. They'll help you out. You tell them what you have, what camera you got. You tell them what lens you have, and they'll match up all the pieces that you need and make recommendations for you. But again, I like this a lot because, you know, we do a lot of outdoor photography, and especially if you're a storm chaser, okay, you know, you put this on your camera, you're done. You know, you're protecting it from the dirt, the dust. You're protecting it from minor debris, okay? And the big thing I've always talked about is, you know, getting dust and dirt on your camera. Dust and dirt will, and even that microscopic dirt, somehow, we all know it, it finds its way into your lens, okay? The Outex is a 100% barrier to protect your camera from the elements, all right? Check them out today, folks. I highly encourage it. And in the weeks ahead, we're going to be using the Outex in the field, you know, giving you a better handle on its capabilities, okay? So take care.